Discover the power of neem leaves, a gem in traditional medicinal systems, especially Ayurveda, celebrated for centuries. They're rich in antimicrobial compounds like nimbin, nimbidin, and nimbidol, power-packed to combat various infections from skin to dental and gastrointestinal issues. Neem leaves are potent inflammation fighters too, thanks to nimbidin and quercetin. They've been used to soothe conditions like arthritis, eczema, psoriasis, and digestive disorders. But the benefits don't stop there. These leaves are antioxidant gold mines, brimming with flavonoids, triterpenoids, and vitamin C, shielding cells from oxidative damage and helping prevent diseases like cancer, cardiovascular disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Neem leaves are also great for blood sugar regulation, enhancing insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by cells, making them a boon for diabetes management. And let's not forget their immune-boosting properties, fortifying the body's disease-fighting capabilities. Finally, thanks to their antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, neem leaves have been a go-to for skin health. Harness the power of neem leaves for a healthier you. You'll be amazed at the difference it can make.